Alright, so I'm going to show you how I use this pour over coffee maker I just got, which is just awesome. I use the pour over kettle to heat the water and then pour it over. I've got some fresh ground coffee in there. It's like the size of Mediterranean sea salt, so it's kind of coarse ground. And I just filled this thing up. And the nice thing about it is it's got this thermometer gauge on the top, and it tells you when the water is the temperature you want it to be, which is about 200 degrees. And it's got a really nice, the handle, it's really nice when you hold it. It makes a kind of like a perfect pour. I've never actually done this before, but all I do is just simply pour the water right over the top, just kind of nice and slow and nice and even. And when it fills up a little bit like that, you can see, and I'll stop for a second and let it pour out. And it goes through this filter, which is really nice. And then I basically just do this until I get up to about 20 ounces or so. And the coffee that it makes is just amazing. I can't believe how much better it is than getting coffee from this thing, which I'm not even going to use anymore. It's not even close. This has got a nice little handle here so you don't burn your finger when you take it off. But yeah, this thing is really nice. I'm really impressed with it. It's really cool. And it doesn't take that much longer than waiting for this silly thing to brew a pot of coffee. And you can see using the pour over kettle, it gives you a nice even pour. It doesn't splash the water, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely recommend it.
All right, so I received my Bean Envy cold brew coffee maker in the mail probably about 2 weeks ago now, and I have been making coffee almost every day in it, and I am absolutely in love. So it comes as a glass carafe, which I like because you know that there aren't any toxins being leached into your coffee when you're drinking it, and it has a silicone grip on the bottom so it doesn't slide when it's on the counter. And then the inside is a stainless steel, I guess, sleeve you can call it, and that's what you put your coffee into. I actually have already put my coffee in because I'm getting ready to do a batch tonight. And then you just pour the water right into this and then put your lid on it and let it, I guess, brew is what you could call it. And then you have amazing cold brew coffee in the morning. So I am very impressed with my Bean Envy cold brew coffee maker.
Alright, so this is the coffee kettle. You can see it's basically pretty simple. It's a coffee kettle. It's got a nice handle here, which is a perfect grip. It's not hot when you pull it off of a burning stove, and what's really nice about it is it's got the thermometer on the top, so when you fill it up, you put it on the stove. Once the red needle gets into the green, you know you're good to go. If you're a coffee aficionado, then you want your temperature exactly right, and you pour it into your pour over, and you can see that you get a nice, smooth, even flow of water that doesn't splash, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. And it's nice. It works really well. It's very fancy. It's got a nice look. It looks aesthetically pleasing. It's not ugly. You're not going to have to hide it in your countertops or in your cabinets. But well done. Good product. Very impressed with it.
Okay, here is the test. Put 32 ounces of water in. It's almost heated. And put the heat a little bit past medium. And it's been about 12 minutes. So far so good. There's no heat here. Feels good.
Hi, this is the Bean Envy coffee maker. I love the handle. The measurements are a little bit from Mars. They think you're going to only drink 4 ounces at a time, so just ignore that. It's really easy to use. I love the filter. It does this whirlpool thing and all of the grounds stay in the filter. It makes a perfect cup of coffee.
Just open this up and look at now. Twist it. Twist, turn. Look at all those marks. Oh my gosh, you can totally see it. It's totally used.
Yeah.
Definitely not clean.